Welcome back to the channel, guys, but most importantly, welcome back to
beautiful Nicaragua.
And today's gonna be super cool day because Courtney hasn't been to the farm in how many months?
I feel like it's been like 2 months.
We've been building a cabin out here, so she hasn't seen any of the progress. So today's the big reveal for you. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I'm super excited. I already want to move in. I know I can't just yet, so I'm trying to like keep my cool because I might just stay here tonight.
I know it's been a lot of progress since the last time she was here, so we're gonna get the big reveal. And also on top of that, we need your guys' help. There's some coffee bag options that we're looking at that we need your opinion. So we're also going to be doing that in the video later on after we do the big reveal.
All right. Well, I'm excited for the both of them.
And we also have Lauren here. Say hi to the camera, Lauren.
Hi, guys.
Lauren's my sister. Lauren, when was the last time you were at the farm?
Like a year ago.
So it was a year ago.
It was just concrete.
The cabin was just concrete.
Yeah.
So we've advanced so much from just having concrete. We also have Elliot here running around chasing the chickens. I feel so bad for these chickens, but he thinks they're chicken nuggets from McDonald's, so he wants to hold them. But yeah, we need you guys' help voting for those bags, and let's go do that big reveal. Lauren, what are you expecting to see here from this cabin right now?
I don't know. I expect it to be really nice and I don't know, really pretty on the inside.
Really pretty,
yeah.
Right? Even Elliot's like, wow, he hasn't seen it either. Look at him. Look at that.
So pretty.
What do you think?
It's so pretty.
Let's park and then we're gonna do a tour. All right, Courtney, are you ready to go inside and take a look at the cabin after so much?
So excited. I'm already standing on a new piece I haven't seen already.
Yeah, so this right here is brand new, this little U shape that we built, and we added extra roof because the reindeer just flush inside, and with this we're covered.
Yeah, it's so cute. I can't wait to put like a little welcome mat.
And we got a little garden going on over here already. So we got our planter boxes being filled. We're using all local native plants. Look at that little plant. Look how cute. And then over here we have another one and another planter box. But I think where the big changes for you is going to be inside, right?
I can't wait.
Let's
all
go
right,
check
I'm
it out.
moving in. Let's go.
All right. All right, we're inside and it's time for Courtney to come in. All right, go ahead, come in, Courtney. Look at that.
Oh, I can't wait. Look at
Oh
my view.
my God, look at your view, right?
Oh, Amelia, look at our view.
Look at that incredible view.
My eyes are watering. That's how much I love this place already, and I haven't even seen the whole thing, but look at my kitchen.
Last time you were here, you had no recessed lighting, no electricity. You have no kitchen. What do you think about your counters, concrete countertops?
I can't wait to cook and clean dishes on this. It's beautiful. It's so industrial, and it screams farm cabin to me.
I know. We're gonna open this window to let some fresh
Look,
air.
I can already see Elliot playing out there.
Look at Elliot. He's already playing with Lauren over there.
This is my future.
Yeah.
It's my now and my future.
And then we have our coffee bar too that we've been working on. Look at that. Imagine making a nice cup of coffee here in the morning.
Wow, look at our beautiful car. Oh, I love this. Look how smooth, and you feel like you're literally eating off of a tree.
Right? That's why we left it like this. We left all that. But this is gonna pop once we add the stain in there and everything.
All right, Elton, good luck going back home today.
And then you gotta check out the room too.
Provisions.
Actually, gotta turn on the light in the room. So this is the room that we've been working on.
Aww. Wow, look at the closet.
The closet.
It's gorgeous. I like how it was really hard to envision, but now you can see a slant in the roof, which gives it some architectural design.
Yeah, and it looks better. This light is off. I need to put it back in, but yeah, this room's pretty big actually, and this room also has a nice view.
Oh my
Look at that
gosh.
with the cabin.
So excited. How many more weeks until I get to move in?
So we're gonna go downstairs, but we don't have a set of stairs yet that are fully finished. So it's a little bit sketchy. So I'm gonna take Amelia, then Courtney is going to come downstairs. You feel how cooler it is? How much cooler?
Wow, this is nice. I kind of want to leave that wall exposed.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, it's so
Wow, all right. I intentionally left it exposed because I wanted something to remind us.
I love it.
Of
yeah.
like just, you know, Mother Nature and where we built it and everything. And I figured we can put plants back here.
I'll have more of my wine bar.
Yeah, or a wine bar. It's naturally cool. It's like a cellar in here, dude.
Wow,
Like,
yeah.
it is cooler.
Hopefully Elliot doesn't chip away at it.
Yeah. So what we're thinking is we're gonna put a couch here, and then that back wall with the light, and then we're gonna probably do like a little TV here for movie nights, and then we're gonna do a bed over here, and then a bed, and then Courtney has a bathroom over here, and then we have the solar area over here.
Wow. Okay, Elton, I think the kids can have that small room upstairs.
Yeah.
I'll take the downstairs.
Downstairs
they
is
can
nice,
come hang out
huh?
with us when they want, but
What do you
this
think?
is beautiful.
Do you like the windows?
I do like the windows. I will say that I wish this one was like a long window to here because I think I would like to like put my rowing machine down here and do some rowing. But yeah, I think it's gorgeous. Wow, I'm ready to move in. Who's gonna babysit these kids?
I know, right? We did it, babe. Almost there.
Yay. So proud
Almost
of
there.
you. Yay, Amelia. We're so excited.
So what do you think, Lauren, of the cabin?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Almost there, right?
Yeah, it's coming along really nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah, the inside looks really pretty too.
All right, guys, coffee is ready to go. We got 1, 2, and we got 3 cups of coffee here.
Do not forget my cup. That's what
We're not gonna give Courtney any coffee.
This is my coffee. Don't forget my cup.
You got 0 coffee.
I
Courtney.
literally am begging.
You got way too much energy already. There we go. All right, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys watching too.
Cheers to this beautiful home and view.
You got burned, huh? You got burned.
Oh, Lauren. Yeah, you gotta
It's
pretend
really
take the
hot.
first sip.
All right, guys, when it comes to picking a next coffee bag for Immense Coffee, it's a serious deal, you know? It's not something that we want to pick off the fly. So I needed some sample bags, and I have them in my hand. I actually got these samples from Empty Pack. Empty Pack manufactures coffee bags, and the cool thing about it is they have so many different options we're gonna look at, and most importantly, their bags are recyclable. So that was a big thing for me. I want you to be able to use the bag and afterwards recycle it, because we want to take care of Mother Earth. The same way we're replanting a bunch of trees in the back, it all has to come down to the bag also being able to be recycled. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, these bags that you see here from Empty Pack, they can be recycled 100%, which is amazing because we want to be a good impact to Earth. But I wanted to know from your side, do you care if the bag can be composted? For example, take a look at this white bag here that's made out of rice paper in the front, bioplastic inside. So not only can you recycle, you can also compost the bag. So comment below. I'm really interested to find out if you do care about that. All right, guys, one thing we always wanted to know right here was the closing of the bags. Hold this, please, Courtney. So there's this option that's a tin tie. Once you open the bag, you can go ahead and reclose it using a tin tie here. And it's nice and simple and sturdy. Right now, our bag has this style here, which is the zipper close. So we want to know from you, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the zipper close to be able to pop it close afterwards, or the simplicity of the tin tie? Courtney, which one do you like better?
I personally like the zipper tie just because I have kids. I think it's simple for me to make sure my coffee's extra secure.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like extra sturdy for me, but I want to know for you guys, which one are you, team tin tie or team zipper? What about you, Amelia?
I think she wants team zipper.
All right,
Yep,
she wants zipper. Yeah, I hope she
she's-
likes the zipper. Another thing that we wanted to know, what's the next big thing we want to know our bags?
I think we want to know how much coffee they want in their bag, or the
Dude, that's
style
a big
of
one
laying.
for you. Yeah, let me show you guys something. Look at this coffee bag they offer at Empty Pack. So this one, the cool thing about it, feel it? It's made out of
gosh.
rice paper.
I feel, yeah, that's really nice.
That's really nice, right?
Yeah.
But this is a bigger bag. Take a look at how many beans you can fit in there. So this bag right here is actually a 12-ounce bag is what we sell on our website currently. Comment below if you want a bigger bag, more options to buy a bigger bulk. I know my friend Carissa, if she were watching this, she's told me plenty of times she wants a bigger bag because she fuels the dream every morning. And we're thinking how big, right? You can fit 2 to 5 pounds. It depends. You can get as big as you want and as small as you want. What do you think?
I mean, personally, I think I just picked this bag because I really love the texture. So, yeah, I'd probably go with the bigger bag.
That's
and I could
awesome.
always use more coffee.
That's true. So just comment below. We could add a 12 ounce and maybe a 2 pound and a 5 pound to our website.
Yeah.
And maybe a bag size like this, right?
Yeah.
That would
so
be
much we
awesome.
can
Yeah.
do.
So let us know if the options of having bigger bulk purchases will be good for you and if you like these kind of size bags there. The last thing that we need your help on is going to be the design. So right now we have a label that goes on the bag on the black matte finish, but we have so many ways to get creative. Take a look at this bag that has a rough surface, a transparent middle so you can see the coffee beans, semi-gloss. This is a wild one, huh?
Yeah, it reminds me of a Lululemon bag.
Right, it reminds nice and elegant. So you can get very creative. But I wanted to ask you is what are you looking for in the bag? Are you looking for something that's a little more craft feel or paper feel, or are you looking for something more elegant? What do you think would go well to be able to tell our story? Because in the future we want to add other farmers and we want to be able to share their stories too. So it's important we get that feel right and that look. Which one do you prefer out of all these bags right
I mean,
here?
I know Amelia prefers this one. For me personally, I'm in between.
Here, let me hold it right there.
Yeah, I'm in between this
Come here,
one
mamacita.
and the long rice paper bag.
Oh, yeah.
Both
This
actually
is
have the same feel.
This is a very nice feel. So help us out, help the coffee familia out, and comment below your thoughts.
Can't wait to hear.
By the way, if you are a coffee roaster or a business looking for coffee bags yourself, check out mtpack.coffee. You can look at all the options yourself. Courtney, what do you got going on there? Show the people.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is probably going to be the best sopaderas ever.
Oh my God, look how delicious that is. Over, gracias, Blanca. Holy guacamole over an open stove, Lauren. Come on, dude. And you're telling me you prefer McDonald's?
No,
Huh?
that's not true.
She wants to drug test the leader.
Yeah, she wants to go get some chicken nuggets at Esteli there.
That's not true.
Good job, papi.
Lo que estoy viendo que no va a dejar la niña botado, va.
¿Ah?